This is my mama's makeup and crochet channel.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be sharing with you my experience with ordering from Beautylish, and I will be unboxing this package right here. Okay, I cheated. I already looked inside, but let's pretend that I didn't. But first, I will talk about a few important details regarding my Beautylish order. So I placed my order on June 21, and shortly after checking out, I received an email confirming that my order is being processed. And on June 23, I received another email telling me that my order was already shipped out. The shipping was through Janyo. Their website is janyo.asia. And based on the tracker, my order originated from Hong Kong. So I guess they have a satellite office or a warehouse in Hong Kong that caters to orders coming from customers in Asia. So I think that's nice. Based on the tracker again, from Hong Kong, it went to Singapore first. That's on June 25. And then from Singapore, it arrived in Manila on July 4. And it said there that on July 5, it was transported to the destination warehouse. I don't know where that is. And on the next day, July 6, it says that it's already out for delivery. And I received my order before lunchtime. So that's like 15 days from my order date, including weekends. And I think that's fast considering the situation right now. So I'm really happy about that. Also, I got free shipping because Beautylish has free shipping for all orders over $50. My order was worth $148 plus duties and taxes of $1.50, so a total of $149.50. For the payments, they accept major credit cards, PayPal, and Alipay. I don't think we have Alipay in the Philippines, but it's like GCash, I guess, from what I have read. Anyway, I used MasterCard and I was charged 7,694 pesos. Based on that, the conversion rate was 51.47. Of course, currency rates change all the time, so it might be lower than that or higher. But I'm happy with that rate actually because it used to be 53 to 54 pesos. So it's lower right now, so that's great. And I think that's it. We are now ready to look inside the box. These are my orders. Okay, very nice packaging. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, I think we can pull this up. And we have tissue paper right here. Okay, let's take that out. And they sent me this freebie. This is Good Molecules silicone free priming moisturizer. That's a nice sample size. First order right here, the Cremated Palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and it has a bubble wrap. Let's open it up. Okay, so you probably already saw a lot of reviews for this one. I just want to open this up first and check if there are damages. Cool, there's none. See? Okay, let's move on to the next one. So all these three items left here are similar to each other, but let's take a look. This is the first one. Let's open it up. Wait. Ouch. So this is the big mirror, the black one. Okay, I have waited so long for this to be restocked, so I don't want to blind you, but this is a mirror, so there. Okay, and next one, another pig mirror. This is a new release. This silver pig mirror there. big. I don't want to blind you, but there it is. Okay. Another mirror, obviously. So let's open it up. The pink pig! Yay! I finally got this. So there, it's actually big, see? And it's really cute. What a cute pig. So there. Okay, and that's it. Those are all the items I bought. Each mirror is $30 and the cremated palette is $58. So that's a total of $148 plus duties and taxes of only $1.50. So I think that's good, and of course free shipping like I said. So I'm really happy with my purchase. There are no damages at all. It was well packaged, and I'm so happy with the delivery time. It actually arrived earlier than I was expecting because of the community quarantine. So I'm so happy about that. So overall, I guess my experience is really good. I wasn't charged additional fees when it arrived here, and it was delivered straight to my doorstep. So that's a plus point. So I really recommend Beautylish. I have actually seen a lot of reviews about Beautylish already, but I think there was none about their delivery to the Philippines. So I made this one. I hope this helps. So I guess that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the bell button to be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you soon! Bye!
Like if you like this video, subscribe if you love it, share if you care. Thank you for watching. Bye!